What is up? So today we're doing a pack opening with some Toppers Madden football cards. There's 12 cards in each pack. On our last pack, we're going to pick 3 cards from the pack. And on our first 2 starting packs that we're going to open, we're going to pick 1 from each one. So, and who am I going to do this with?
What is up, people?
This is what I'm doing with my dad. Weirdo. Let's just get to the video. So we're gonna do it. Do you know how to play rock, paper?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, shoe for who's gonna start it. Rock, paper, scissors. What? You have to wait for shoe.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. I win. So I'm going to start the pack opening.
Just so you guys know out there, I'm going to beat him.
Yeah, right. So, my first card in this topper pack is Jalen Richard.
Mm-hmm.
Lawrence. Just for you to know, this is the card that I got.
Here, I'll show him the cards.
Lawrence Timmons.
Lawrence Timmons.
Robert Mathis.
Robert Mathis.
That's a weird name, his last name Mathis. Baron Jones.
Byron Jones.
Oh, Byron. Fletcher Cox.
Fletcher Cox.
Marshall Yande.
Marshall Yanda.
Cam Chancellor.
Ooh.
Let's go. This next card is probably going to be... This next card, I'm probably going to pick one of these. So, I got a card with 3 players on it. My 3 players that I got on this card are Derek Carr, Latavius Murray, and Amari Cooper. So, I'm probably going to pick someone from here. Next player is Marvin Jones Jr. Oh.
Caleb Brantley.
Chris Wormley. David Yonku. What is his name? Nyoku. And now I'm going to choose my card. I'm going to choose Cam Chancellor.
All right, now I'm going to open a pack of 2017 Score. Okay? See, it's unopened. I'm not cheating.
And these are topper packs. Just saying, all of them. That's why I got Cam Chancellor.
What do topper packs mean? All right, I got a Sammy Coates. I got a Brian Orakpo. Oh, and I got Robert Woods from USC. And I got James Bradbury. Oh, I got another good wide receiver. I got Larry Fitzgerald. And I got Clinton Dix. He's really good. Jordan Howard. Oh, Eric Berry. No fly zone. Oh, and Andrew Luck. And Dede Westbrook.
Wow. When he said his team's going to be better than mine, it probably is.
And then Corey Clement. Oh, TJ Watt. That's JJ Watt's younger brother. And that's it. That's what I got.
Who are you gonna choose?
How many do I choose?
No, 1. And
one?
And we choose 3.
Okay, I am
This
gonna
is
go
gonna be
with.
hard for him.
I'm gonna go with Eric Berry.
All right, Eric.
Eric Berry, no fly zone.
I got the Cam Chancellor no fly zone too. So now for my second pack. I hope I get a quarterback here. So, my first card is... Oh, yes! When I said a quarterback, I got a quarterback, but not the one that I want. Cody Kessler for the Cleveland Browns.
Eli Rogers. Everybody can scoot over a little bit.
Charles Clay. Oh, in my Madden team, I have this card, and he's never dropped the ball when I pass it to him. Yeah, never. So, but he's Kelvin Benjamin.
Kelvin Benjamin, yeah.
Kelvin Benjamin. Willie Snead.
Will Snead. Okay.
Isaiah Crowell.
Okay.
Tracy Porter.
Now
this is a quarterback this is a good quarterback. Russell Wilson.
Nice.
This next card, I have no idea who he is. Yes, I do. Juju Smith-Schuster.
Oh, big man on campus.
My next card is Isaiah Ford. Ford is my middle name. Zay Jones.
That's good.
And Bucky Hodges.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'm gonna pick one of these two. I don't know who. I'm gonna pick. Well, I'm gonna hope that I get another quarterback in my next pack. Juju Smith-Schuster.
Okay.
So my two cards are Juju Smith-Schuster and Cam Chancellor.
All right. What is up? I'm opening up a pack of Toppers 2017.
He doesn't know how to talk when he does a YouTube video.
All right, I got Mike Wallace. What is up? Joe Flacco. Andrew Whitworth. Oh, James Harrison. Boom. DeAndre Hopkins. Kamar Aiken. Marquise Goodwin. Oh, and I got, Von Miller.
No!
Von Miller.
Dang it.
And I got Deshaun Kaiser.
I have no idea.
And we got Noah Brown. We got Taco Charlton. His name is Taco. I like tacos.
He loves tacos.
And we got Marlon Mack. And that's it. So of these cards, you know what I'm going to choose.
Yeah, I know for sure.
I'm going to go Von Miller. Sack attack.
So, just telling you a reminder, on this pack I get to choose 3 cards. I hope it's a good pack.
I chose 2 defensive players.
I hope it's a good pack, so that I hope I have a good card in it. Like a QB. Jeremy Langford. Brandon Cooks. I've heard of him that is good, but I don't know him that much. Everson Griffin. Will Fuller.
Will Fuller the fifth.
Oh.
Emmanuel Ogba.
What the heck?
Cool names.
Vincent Jackson. Vincent Jackson. Terrence Williams. I already got this pack in another. I got this card already in another pack, and it's the card that I really need. It's the card with 3 players.
Again you got that?
Derek Carr, Latavius Murray, Amari Cooper. So, of course, I'm probably going to choose Derek car after I finish this pack if I don't get anyone good anymore. I already got this guy too, Marvin Jones.
Up there. Okay, now I'm going to open a pack of toppers.
No,
What is up?
I'm not done, Rito. Tabor? I have no idea. What's his name?
Ardarius Stewart.
Okay. And I have another quarterback that I'm not going to use, Jordan Evans. Jordan Evans. So, of course, I'm going to go with Derek Carr. So then I could have a QB. And just one thing. I could pick 3. This is my last pack, so I picked 3 players. I actually got the pack that I wanted because I'm going to pick these 3 players. So my team is Juju Smith-Schuster, Cam Chancellor, Derek Carr, Latavius Murray, and Amari Cooper. Those are my 5 cards that I have. Mommy's here.
All right, toppers out there. I'm going to open up 1 pack of toppers. And in my pack of toppers, I got Sammy Watkins.
Oh, I got him on them.
I got Jalen Marshall. Cole Beasley. And, Terrell Suggs. He's really good.
Yes.
I got Patrick Peterson. I got Duke Johnson. I got Deontay Foreman. I got Terry Bradshaw. I don't know what we're doing. And I got, the huddle up. I got the Philadelphia Eagles.
So you can choose one.
And I got Cooper Kupp.
Cooper Kupp, what the heck?
And I got Stacy Coley.
No.
CJ Beathard.
All right, so choose your 3.
Cole Beasley.
So one of his cards are Cole Beasley. So his team so far is Eric Berry, Von Miller, and Cole Beasley. Pretty good 3 so far.
All right, toppers out there. Peace out.
You have to put 2 more players. You have to get 2 more players, but from this pack.
He's a really good, I got another cornerback, Patrick Peterson, 6-time Pro Bowler.
So, and he's adding 1 person to his team, Patrick Peterson. And his last card, you should get a QB.
Terry Bradshaw.
All right, so his wait, Daddy, what card is that?
Terry Bradshaw, QB.
And his last card is a QB. That's a smart choice. So his team, just again, is Terry Bradshaw. Yeah, that's his name. Here you go. Here you go. His next one is Patrick Peterson. His next card is Cole Beasley. His next card is Von Miller, a pretty good card. And his last card, Eric Berry. Wait, he gets to choose 1 more card, and I'm choosing it for him. His last card that he wanted, he just told me was. He said that he was going to get Sammy Watkins if he could get 1 more player. And he wanted Sammy Watkins, so that's his last player. And now... Actually, I just put Eric Berry out, so Sammy Watkins is... So he's not on his team. He's not on his team. And remember... reminder of my team.